we are going to cover the mean of grouped data, calculation of the mean in the case of grouped data. So in this case, we are given the marks. We are given marks listed from 40 to 49, 50 to 59, up to 90 to 99. Then we have the frequency that is labeled as F. We also have the midpoints that we are going to calculate. So, okay, the first step is usually to get the midpoint. How do you get the midpoint? In this case, for instance, the first one, we shall do midpoint is equivalent to the upper class limit plus the lower class limit divided by 2. So upper class limit in this case is 40 plus 49 divided by 2, which is equivalent to, okay, let's work out. 40 plus 49 is equivalent to 89 divided by 2. So 89 divided by 2, we get 44.5. Come and write 44.5. Continue with the rest. 50 plus 59 divided by 2. Sorry, 50 plus 59, 109 divided by 2, you get 54.5. 60 plus 69 equals to 129 divided by 2, 64.5. Then we come 70 plus 79 is equivalent to 149 divided by 2, 74.5. 80 plus 89 divided by 2, 84.5. 90 plus 99 divided by 2, 94.5. So this is the formula of our mean. Some of you might be wondering, why are we getting the midpoint? So the mean is equivalent to summation of fx divided by the summation of f. Our x is the midpoint here. So we need to multiply frequency by midpoint. So in this column, we're going to label it as fx. So 44.5 times 8, 356. 6 times 54.5, 327. 2 times 64.5, 129. 74.5 times 10, the frequency, 745. 7 times 84.5 equals to 591.5. 9 times 94.5 equals to 103.5. Now, what's the meaning of summation? Summation means that you add. Sorry guys, we made a mistake here. I realized that just now. So 9 times 94.5 is equivalent to 850.5. So you should be very careful about that. So let's get the summation of fx. Let's add these values together to give us our summation fx. So 356 plus 327 plus 129 plus 745 plus 591.5 plus 850.5. 2,999. So that is our summation fx. What is our summation f? What is the sum of all frequencies? Summation f is equivalent to, so let's add these values together to get our summation f. We have 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 10 plus 7 plus 9. We get summation f is equivalent to 42. So let's list our values here. We have mean is equivalent to summation fx all over summation f is equals to 2,999 divided by 42. So let's divide 2,999 divided by 42. What do you get? We get 71.40. This is the answer to 2 decimal places, and it is as simple as that. So just be careful when computing these values, because this is where the mistake comes in, guys. So we have another example here. We have age that is grouped into different classes from 21 to 30 up to 81 to 90. So what's our first step? Maybe you can pause this video and try calculate the mean under the case of group data on your own. Then you may play it and see the answer. So we have midpoints. Midpoints is equals to upper limit plus the lower limit divided by 2. So we have 21 plus 30, divide by 2. 21 plus 30 equals to 51, divide by 2. 51 divided by 2 equals to 55. 25.5. So we have 25.5. 31 plus 40. So I have already calculated the midpoints. So this is a high time we get the fx, f times x. So let's do it together. 25.5 times 3 equals to 76.5. Be very careful, guys. 35.5 times 8, we get 284. So after having multiplied the frequency by the midpoint and getting this column, we are going to add them to get the summation. So add 76.5 plus 284 plus 318.5 plus 333 plus 327.5 plus 679.5 plus 598.5. Again, be very careful. The summation of fx is equals to 2,617.5. What is the summation of our frequency? Add the frequencies together. My frequency is 45. So we have a summation of frequency as 45 and a summation of fx as 2,617.5. So as per the formula of the mean, we have summation of fx as 2,617.5 divided by 45. So 2,617.5 divided by 45. What do we get? We get 58.17. That's our answer.